I'll try bag lettuce.
Bag lettuce? Yeah, look over there. Should be some shredded lettuce over there. Yo, I'm trying to get it off right now. I'm trying not to look too conspicuous. So just hold on for a second. Yo, you gotta see this shit. I've never in my life seen somebody with some fucking yellow hair like this. Hold up.
They don't have it.
I want to see him get around this shit here. I said I want to see them get around this shit here. Now he gonna call me and ask me to come up front and grab my returns. Guess what? I got to do. Don't tell me you gotta do groceries. Are you serious? Wow. The rent called out. Wow. This is crazy. Every week. Oh, he called out every Sunday. That's what that is. Yeah. Calls out every Sunday. What the fuck?